All right, here's an example 2 of students' t-test. There are a sample size of 30, and what that sample represents are the fat content in grams of pastries at a local bakery, and these are their measurements. So we're going to be using a graphing calculator, and we're going to enter all 30 items into list 1. And we're going to use the graphing calculator with this t-test. So I do have the screenshots of what it will look like. So step 1 is identifying the null hypothesis and then the alternative hypothesis. So the null hypothesis is that the mean is equal to 16. The alternative is that the mean or the average is not equal to 16. And we're going to be creating a two-tailed test with a significance level of 10%. So in step 2, we quote that significance level as a decimal. That represents 10%. So in step 3, we enter it into our graphing calculator, all 30 items. We go to our t-test. We enter in our mean, our list 1, our frequency, and then click on not equal to and calculate. And there's a couple important numbers right here highlighted in the red. The 1 number is your t-test value. So that's going to go on your horizontal axes in the positive and the negative. And then you have your p-value next, 0.691. And that's that area under the curve. Now, step 5, what happens? The p-value, which was 0.691, is greater than 0.10, which equals the mean. We do not have enough information or evidence to reject the null hypothesis. H1 on the 10% significance level, therefore we're going to accept that null hypothesis. Step 6, since we accepted that null hypothesis, we cannot conclude that the mean of the fat content is acceptable.